I got this insulation tester from Scrape, but I am not sure if it's working or not. So let's open it to see what's inside. It needs total 6 cells of 1.5 volt. This way it takes 9 volt to run this circuit. So this is all it has inside. Before powering it, let's clean the circuit to avoid any short circuit. I will remove the wires so that we can power it with the 9 volt battery. If you don't know about the insulation testers, let me explain you a bit about it. These insulation testers are used to check the resistance of insulation on wires. Let's see if it works. Whoa, it gives shock. See, when I press the switch, a high voltage passes through the probes. So this way, if the insulation is weak, the resistance is low. The high resistance means better insulation. Okay, hope you like this video and sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.